Now it's time to take a look at this in action. So let's add a debugger in the process payments, and we have to make sure that we run the payment API as well. So we will set the startup project and the payment API. Let's start that. Let's run the application and we'll see if we hit our breakpoint. We already have a payment message available, so it should hit our method, and perfect. It hits our method. Let's examine the arguments. Inside message, we have the message body, and great, you can see right here the order ID is 2 and the details are what we just entered. Let's hit continue here. And then we have to go to the Azure portal to make sure that a new message is posted inside the order update payment result topic. So if we go to the Service Bus Explorer here, let's peek. And we have one message. This should have the order ID of 2 and the status will be true. Perfect. So last thing that remains here is we have to extract this and update the payment status of the given order ID to be true. Now, if this is not working for you, I'm pretty sure the reason behind that is when we are adding all of these constants here, something is not configured properly. Even if you have a spelling mistake in the topic name or subscription, message will not be posted or consumed. So make sure everything is aligned with what you see on the Azure portal. With that, let's complete the last step in the next video.